Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chaithanya. So today we are gonna go from Bangalore to Chittoor as usual. I'm gonna go to my home. Yeah, I have fixed the top box in my back and let's see how it works. Yeah, the time is 7:05 in the morning. I started early in the morning because if I start late, there's gonna be a lot of traffic on the way. So it's better I start in the morning, and the climate is also good. I can drive in this. Yeah, it's been raining since past 4 days continuously, and my bike has become so dirty. I can't even tell how dirty it is. I have to give a wash to it as soon as I go home. Yeah, today let it rain, let it do whatever it wants, because I have a top box and all my things are inside it, and you know, it's waterproof and nothing is gonna happen to that as well. Mainly my laptop. So that day when I went home last week, it was totally, there was water. It was too wet. So today I have no issues with that as well. Yeah, the thing is, I did not go to the RYNOX store, so I don't have a waterproof jacket. Yeah, I just crossed Hoskote now and I am on the highway. So yeah, in the Hoskote tollgate I saw a bunch of riders from Expulse, I think. Yeah, they were, I guess they have got some event conducted. Yeah, and there are, the advantage of riding on Sunday, it's like you can see a lot of riders on the way. The climate is getting cold. I'm wearing gloves, I'm wearing my riding jacket, I'm wearing everything, and still I feel so cold. You can see the clouds out there. I hope it does not rain. Even if it rains, I have no issues because I am fully safe. Not me though, but my luggage, my clothes, my laptop, everything. It's a Kawasaki. Nice. I don't know which model it is in Kawasaki, but it's a good one. What is this out here? It's a Vesus. It's a Ninja Vesus. Ooh, that's beauty. I'm cruising a bit fast, so the audio might not be clear because I don't want it to rain. Yeah, those are two Kawasaki's there, and I hope I see some, the top bikes like Benegale, GSA, know, I want to just see all those bikes, you know, today, because I love those bikes. So I finally entered Andhra. I'm now in the border. In between I just stopped for 5 minutes. It was just for, you know, for filling the fuel, that's it. I just filled the fuel and I just came off. That's just beautiful out there. So I have almost reached, guys. So this is the same road as the first video, so I'm not gonna do much of video. So I have almost reached. So this is how I have packed my bike. Like, this is the top box which I have got from Manido's pit stop. So it's got placed over here, and this is just the extra luggage which I wanted to just get it here. I used the bungee cords for that. Yeah, and this is how the bike is. I know it's dirty because it was fully raining out there on the way. Yeah, as usual, this video is also gonna be a bit short because, you know, everyone were like, the big videos are getting long, so I'm making it short. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Until then, keep riding and be safe.